HS Fitness Pal. This week is exam week, so preparing for exams at school. Also preparing Christmas around the corner, so you all know it is already cleaning and stuff going on. Today's workout. We did 100-meter buy-in followed by a couplet of handstand push-ups and pistol squats. We did 10 rounds of 10 reps each, and then he ended it off with the next 800-meter run. Today was my first day doing handstand push-ups. You all will get to see a bit of it in the video. It was a very challenging, and for the first time to do 100 reps. It was rough. I finished the workout in 39 minutes and 2 seconds. Yeah, it was good. On another note, just encourage you guys, subscribe to the channel, follow, comment, share, like. You all know the drill. Thank you for watching this video, and I look forward to hearing your comments. What to say? See you in the next video. Peace.